Hey, what is up, YouTube? This is Zach here, coming to you guys with a new YouTube video just discussing the tech layoffs within the industry and how I was affected, basically. So let's go ahead and get into this here today. I want to go ahead and get started here how AI isn't really affecting us that much. AI isn't really affecting us because there is a soar in AI jobs. I've seen, for example, here, if we go down and look, OpenAI is hiring for front-end engineers. I've seen a lot of companies hiring just for front-end engineers, full-stack developers, back-end engineers. So there is a lot of developer jobs soaring in the AI space. So don't get ahead of yourself and saying AI is taking over, our jobs and being afraid. What else are we seeing and why AI isn't affecting us that much, or if it is? Management and, for example, some people I've talked to, they're noticing an uptick in less work, which means more layoffs. Seniors can now utilize AI, artificial intelligence, or ChatGPT for smaller work they distinguish to juniors, and that means they can let go more people and spend less money when utilizing AI, as well as many projects are coming to an end. So many projects are closing down and getting shut down. So that's why we're also seeing a lot of companies laying off potential really good developers. And so, even developers with more experience than me, for example. And as well as some juniors are just not performing to that extent. For example, if we distinguish 9 of our top engineers and 11 of our low performers in a group of 20, while 2 other seniors are, distinguishing work from their technical manager down to the 20 juniors. How does that really get affected? Was I affected, or how was I affected? I was affected due to budget constraints, not by AI, unfortunately. We had a lot of budget constraints on both sides of the company, in which unfortunately led to my role not being there within the company anymore, though I am contracted if anything comes up within the company. What did I do at my job? I will be getting in a more in-depth video here in the future, in the next few days. And what did I do? Mainly, I did a full stack web, iOS, and Android development for an application for the customers, in which provides them an ease of access to see their projects, as well as a referral system to refer users in order for users to earn money and, take up on the referral system. That also took payouts with Stripe, so it just paid them out directly when they earn money. Will the layoffs continue? Yes, the layoffs will continue for a little bit, but don't worry. Why is that? I say because a lot of people are utilizing AI, and some juniors are not trying for that next step. For example, some juniors are not just not outperforming themselves or others, but they're just not performing or adding new skills to their skill set. For example, I am getting another certificate with IBM and Coursera, getting an advanced AI and machine learning certificate, so I can learn more about AI and maybe add that to a new job, for example. And a lot of juniors aren't working to that next step to complete their daily challenge of work, but also go a step further and say, hey, I want to outperform that senior, or I want to become the senior, or I want to become the technical manager. So we're not seeing a lot of these people wanting to take the jobs of their seniority. For example, like I said at the beginning, maybe those 9 developers that are outperforming the 11 want that job. They want to take the job of the senior. So that's why they're seeing the uptick in those 9 developers, being super courageous and taking on a lot of work. And what is my last, talking point here? Will layoffs continue? Won't they? Of course they will continue, but what can you do to suppress them in your extent? Gaining new skills, new certificates, and grinding leak code. Of course, grinding leak code, for example, for interviews, new certificates for new skill sets, maybe another job or another raise. For example, you go from a front-end engineer. When you're working as a front-end engineer, you get that AI and machine learning certificate. You go through and get your advanced certificate, and then you become an AI developer while maintaining the front-end development, and you could be even the front end team lead while taking over and transitioning into AI, and then gaining new skills, even if it's just a new tech stack or a new language. For example, a lot of new people coming to the industry right now that are newly learning React, learn TypeScript, learn Python, learn something else. Being able to add more languages or more, more frameworks to your tech stack is going to improve your ability to get your next job. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the future.